Overpraising. The final danger of the tongue is overpraising people. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 2662, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned against overpraising others. This is a disliked deed, as it firstly can be sinful if the praise is based on falsehood. Even if it is true, overpraising people especially, the ignorant can cause them to become proud. This is an evil characteristic, as an atom's worth of it is enough to take one to hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 265. Overpraising can even cause the praised person to believe they have fulfilled their potential in obeying Allah, the Exalted, and therefore do not need to improve on it. A Muslim should not be fooled by the praise of others, as they know their actions and inner hidden character better than any other person. Reflecting on this and the countless times Allah, the Exalted, has concealed their faults from people, should prevent them from becoming proud. In addition, they should remember that the praised quality they possess was granted to them by none other than Allah, the Exalted, therefore all praise belongs to Him. Finally, a Muslim should become more grateful to Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings they possess in ways pleasing to Him. They should instead advise others about this narration, and warn them not to overpraise others. Only in certain cases is praising others acceptable, and must include not overpraising them, sticking with the truth, and it should be done in order to encourage them to do more good. This especially applies to children, such as praising them in respect to their school work, good behavior, and fulfilling the duties of Islam. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.